I'm making this video just so I can remember how difficult this was. 95 Accord clutch master cylinder. Here's the old one. It was seeping at the end here, and I wanted to get it out of there because this can leave you stranded if it goes out all the way, and in the winter time you don't want to be working on your car in the winter time. Here's the part number I used. Adler 157M07HC262, and the Honda part number is below it, 46920 SM4A03. Adler, it's OEM. Here's some notes. It's way down back on the firewall down there, and I had to remove this hose, the hose that goes to the brake booster, to the intake manifold. I had to loosen the hard lines up against the firewall. Okay, I took off the reservoir. I connected the reservoir hose before I put the new one in. Barely fit down there. The most difficult part is, see that nut, the hard line? That is at an angle in a position that is very difficult to get. And if you ever worked with hard lines, you have to use one of these wrenches or you'll strip it. And it was very difficult to get a tool on there and angle it just right. And it was tight. It was very tight. And after I used this longer wrench with the flare nut on the end, I had to use a stubby and work it out slowly. Now up underneath where the clutch pedal's at, I think you guys know how to remove those. That's the same for every car. But these are just notes for myself because this sucked.